So, now we will see determination of relative velocity. So, see here, determination of a relative velocity. Suppose first I am taking the first part of first case, body A is going this side with velocity V A and another body is going also to this side with velocity V B. This arrow sign we are representing because velocities are the vector quantities. So, these two bodies are going in the same direction. Now, we have to calculate velocity of A with respect to B. So, first we have to make the body B at rest. How can we do it? So, we will superimpose a vector equal to V B, but in opposite direction on these both the vectors. Suppose here we have taken V A. So, we will superimpose to this side, that is minus V B. Similarly, here V B and here is minus V B. So, this is the first step, this is the second step. I have superimposed equal vector because we are calculating relative velocity of A with respect to B. Now, another one, so this will be coming to the rest now because this and this will give you a 0 vector, but this will become here now velocity of A plus velocity of B. So, we can write relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to V A plus minus V B. So, that we can write V A minus V B. So, relative velocity of A with respect to B we can calculate by this way, that is V A minus V B. Now, if A and B are moving in opposite directions, what will happen? We will take the another case here. So, in this case, if A and B are moving in opposite directions, that is second case. First, if you take A is going to this side and B is going to this side. Now, we have to calculate relative velocity of A with respect to B. So, as I have told you, you have to make the body B at rest. So, we will superimpose. So, here already V B was this side. So, we will superimpose to this side minus V B and this will become here V A to this side and also plus minus V B. In the next case, this will be coming to the rest. So, this will be the rest and this will be here V A minus V B. But now, see here already V B was in opposite direction, right. So, if you take the initial direction here of V B, so this you have taken positive, this you have taken as negative. Since V B is in opposite direction, so we can write V A B is equal to V A plus V B. That means basically here this point has become here now, this part will become negative. So, you will be getting here V A is equal to V A B is equal to V A plus V B. So, when the two bodies are moving in opposite directions, so relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to V A plus V B. When they are moving in the same direction, relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to V A minus V B. So, now let us do some examples related to these two concepts.